I'm currently waiting for the camera boy. Look what he said. He said, I heard you from miles away. I don't know which house he's in, but you know. Oh, here's the camera boy is here, huh?
What's up? Jeez, we out here.
Yeah, bro, look around, man. It's snowing like it's crazy, bro. It's crazy winter, man. So like, we on our way to pick up a friend, you know? He's got a Beamer. Bro. A Beamer. A fucking Beamer. He's way faster.
British and Italian at the same time?
Yeah, man. So, you know, the spaghetti, bro. The spaghetti. The spaghetti gets you in the... You know, when you swallow that shit, sometimes you can pull a string out and the whole thing will come out, man.
Okay.
You know about that life, bro? We're in Toronto. I'm not from the UK. I just do the accent for fun, you know, because I got drunk one day. Oh yeah, there's a problem with my car. That's why you're hearing That's why you're hearing that. I hope it's fixed. Don't seem like it's fixed. Definitely not. Where should we get a car wash? It's all over for the paint, bro. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's not fixed, man. Fuck it, yo. Scarborough Bluffs. Okay. Who needs a car wash?
Yeah, fuck it.
It's winter.
Wash it with the snow.
I'll wash it in summer. Okay. Oh, don't do vape, man. Vaping's bad for you.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, Brandon, your hood's still up. Damn, Mark, your car's looking clean.
Yo. Salt means happy. Just saying. This one. You know that one?
Learning how to video, yeah?
Guys, today we're here in New York City with these two beautiful senoritas.
It's not New York, man.
Man, it's Toronto, man.
Yeah, bro. Come on. Yo, who's coming?
This thing recording. Oh, it is.
Yep.
Slip.
That you gotta get real up close, bro.
What do you mean?
You gotta get up close because that's wide angle.
Yeah, I mean like this close. Oh shit, yeah, I do.
Yeah. Every time if you come towards me, I should be shocked because the camera's really close. Alright?
But you're not.
Whoa! That's crazy. Hello? Are you guys old?
Are you guys all right?
Yo, hey, if you give me $1,000, I'll get on that.
Okay, fam, here you go. Red Bull.
That's like,
It's like $600 plus tax, $1,000.
that's like $2.
Dollar store.
Dude,
2 for $4.
what's up, my cruddies?
Fam, you're in the water and it's fucking like freezing, fam.
You guys want $10? Oh, I got 15. I'm rich.
So, he has no problem. Oh shit, there's problem.
Yo, fam, chill. We're going to the beach, fam, in winter. You ever seen that? We're gonna take a bath.
Wait, that side? The other side?
It's way deep down there, no?
Yeah.
It's fucking cold, yo. You want smoke?
Park like that.
This guy very good at parking.
I'll read you guys a story. Do your part.
And make sure you stay
hey,
apart.
hey.
He has a kippah, if you look. Look.
That's what's up. It's really hot right now.
Yeah, it's really cool.
See, there's no snow on the ground. This is all sand, yo.
Yeah, fam, socks, shoes off.
We're gonna walk in the water. Just saying.
I think this thing captured the kids saying, "Oh my gosh, welcome to my vlog."
Here, I'll check if the water's cool. Yeah, check.
Whoa, trippy, dude. Fresh water from the Afghanistan.
Oh, damn.
Yes, drink, man.
Guys, really drinking it? Yo, chill.
The old days.
Oh, come on.
This is how we brush our teeth.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know how I brush my teeth? Put toothpaste right here, and then do that.
Your hands are cold now, aren't they?
Gloves.
Glasses, no glasses.
Ah! Chop.
Stop.
Chop.
That's what's up.
How do you do? Red Bull, sponsor us. Thanks.
Sponsor me.
That's what's up. Spaghetti, bro. The spaghetti.